Why do 100% of people panic when their iPhone screen dies? Because it feels impossible to reset it. But don't worry, I'll show you how to do it without touching the screen. If your iPhone screen's a lost cause, you've got two solid options to factory reset, no swiping needed. First up, the Find My method. If Find My iPhone is on and your phone's connected to the internet, grab any device and head to iCloud.com/find. Log in, pick your broken iPhone from the list, and hit Erase iPhone. Done. Your iPhone is wiped and reset, remotely. No Find My? No problem. Plug your iPhone into a computer. Get Finder or iTunes ready. Now, force your iPhone into recovery mode. Just follow the button combo for your model. When your computer spots your iPhone, click Restore. It'll erase and reset your device, even if the screen is totally dead. Quick recap. Use iCloud if you can, or a computer if you can't. Either way, you'll have a fresh iPhone, no display required.